Hi, I'm Craig Rouse, owner of Our Design LLC, graphic design studio here in Lakewood, Colorado. I do a lot of things that are related to design, identity, and signage and graphics for a variety of institutions and businesses. Yeah, how I've been impacted by the COVID is not greatly. Business-wise, I am a sole proprietor. I come to work by myself with my dog. I spend most of the day in the studio by myself with the dog, and I'm doing all of my kind of communications and meetings and stuff online rather than in person. So that's probably the biggest reason of changes going on right now in my office. I'd say one of the biggest changes the way I'm doing business now is the fact that I'm not doing any site visits or in-person meetings with my clients, which I have been and has been a very important kind of integral part of the way I do business. I really do like that connection of people, seeing how they react to certain questions and presentations that I make to them. Now all of that is done online through Zoom or Google, and it's similar, but it's very different because you're not in the room together. You're in a room with other people in a room. I do enjoy doing the work that I do for the clients that I have, but I'm also looking to kind of broaden my client base. If you have any need for identity, print design, some promotion for your company, or signage and environmental graphics, would love to help you out. Again, my name is Craig Rouse with Our Design LLC.